Members of the large Sylvioidea clade have a pair of neosex chromosomes unique to this clade. They originate from a parallel translocation of a region of the ancestral 4A chromosome on both W and Z chromosomes. We observe reduced levels of within-species diversity in both translocated regions and, as expected, even more so on Neo-W chromosome.
This article is titled A Bird's Wide-Eye View on Avian Sex Chromosome Evolution and was authored by Leroy, Thibault, Anselmetti, Yoann, Tilak, Maëva, and others.
We are www.article.tv. Check out the video description for links to this article.